Discover the keys to a more intelligent mind by watching our video on memory enhancement techniques. Learn how getting enough sleep solidifies information, how exercise increases brain function, and how collaborative learning enriches comprehension. Take a deep dive into memory science to maximize your learning. Take the first step toward cognitive greatness right now. Regular exercise is good for more than just your body. It also has a big effect on the health of your brain. Our heart rate goes up when we work out, which improves blood flow and sends more oxygen to all parts of the body, including the brain. This better blood flow causes the brain to release different growth factors, which are chemicals that impact the health of brain cells, the formation of new blood vessels in the brain, and even the number and survival of new brain cells. When it comes to remembering, exercise is very important. The prefrontal cortex and medial temporal cortex are brain regions that control thought and memory. People who exercise have more of these areas than those who don't. Many studies have also shown that daily exercise can help improve memory, which suggests that there is a direct link between exercise and memory growth. When it comes to promoting neurogenesis, physical exercise is the best. In reaction to learning, experience, or damage, the brain can make new synaptic connections and rearrange the ones it already has. Basically, exercise improves your brain's ability to think and remember things by making it more flexible and strong. Researchers have also found that exercise can slow down changes in the brain that can lead to Alzheimer's disease and schizophrenia. Being active on a regular basis can also help lower worry and nervousness, which may help you remember things better. Basically, when we work out, we're not only making our muscles stronger, but also the parts of our brain that help us remember things. There is a strong and clear link between exercise and better memory. Regular exercise can help our bodies and minds in two ways. It can make our bodies healthy and our minds stronger. Working with others is believed to greatly improve the learning process. This is called social learning. The idea behind this joint approach to teaching is that working with other people can help you understand things better. When students get together, they bring different ideas and information with them, which can make the learning process better. The chance to talk is one of the best things about social learning. When people say what they think and ask questions, they not only help others understand better, but they also help themselves understand better. This conversation lets students think more deeply about ideas than they might if they were studying them on their own. In addition, social learning helps people learn how to think critically. Students learn how to think about different points of view, build arguments, and judge proof through talks and discussions. This level of intellectual interest is necessary for deep learning and can be better encouraged in a group setting where different points of view can be discussed and questioned. Another benefit of group learning is that it can motivate you. When people study with others, they feel more responsible, which can motivate them to do better at their work and be more involved. People in a study group often want to learn more because they have common goals and enjoy being with other people who are also learning. Sharing tools and tactics is also easier when you learn from other people. People who are learning can gain from what the group knows and find new ways to study, find tools, and solve problems that they might not have found on their own. Basically, social learning uses a group's combined brains to make learning more interesting, active, and, in the end, useful. When people study with others, they can understand and keep things better than when they study alone. Sleep and learning are very important and closely connected. In addition to being a quiet state of rest, sleep is also a time when the brain processes and settles what it has learned during the day. The brain sorts and saves knowledge during sleep, making it an important part of learning. The brain stores new knowledge in short-term memory when we learn it. However, for stability and long-term retention, we must transfer this knowledge to long-term memory. A good night's sleep makes this process much easier. The brain remembers what happened during the day while you sleep, especially during the deep REM, rapid eye movement, stage. This repetition helps to strengthen the links between neurons, which makes the memory last longer and easier to reach in the future. Also, not getting enough sleep can harm cognitive processes like problem solving, focus, and paying attention, all of which are important for learning. Not getting enough sleep can make it harder for the brain to concentrate and learn, which can hurt school success. Getting enough sleep is also important for the brain's ability to connect different pieces of knowledge. This ability to put together pieces of information is what makes people creative and innovative, and it works best when the brain is well rested. In conclusion, getting enough sleep is an important part of learning. It improves the brain's ability to learn, remember, and make links, which means that learning is more effective and lasts longer. So getting enough steady, good sleep is important for anyone who wants to learn as much as possible.